Everyone, I'm Terry from Forever Gardening. So yesterday, well actually 2 days ago, we set up these worm farms and now they have completely dried and they're ready to be set up. So what I have done is drilled a hole in the middle of a old, very old bookcase that was actually left out for curbside collection. And what I've done is actually put the hose through that hole, and now the buckets are just sitting on top of it. I have got it sitting on the bookcase, actually sitting up on 2 bricks to make sure it doesn't rot. Now, it doesn't normally rot very quickly, normally in about 5 to 10 years. So I'll get plenty of life out of this, and it's reusable and completely free. So it doesn't matter if it rots anyways. Now what I've done is actually I've put the top bucket over the bottom up here, and now I have filled it with river pebbles just up to about here, so about 3 to 4 centimeters off the bottom. Then what I've done is I have added my seedling mixture that I have made myself, which is half a bag of mushroom compost, half a bag of vegetable compost, which is roughly about 10 litres of each. And then I have added 1 core block. I've mixed that all together very well, and then I have put about half a bucket full, so just about to there. Then on top of that I've added pea straw that has rotted down. You do not have to add this, however the worms do love it. Now I'm showing you the next stage. Now around my garden I let soursop grow wild because they are brilliant for compost, and they're also brilliant for worm farms. So what you do, you grab probably a good decent handful, probably about that much, put it straight in, just make sure it's flat on the surface. Then you can add some, what I call is dry waste. So these are things like your toilet rolls that haven't been soiled, newspaper, egg cartons, all that type of stuff, even old letters that you've shredded, as long as there's no plastic pieces or postage stamps. So you probably want about 3 decent handfuls. Now with the egg cartons, they still need to be cut up, so just about that size is okay, because worms do like to actually be able to have room to climb up things. Most people don't know that. And also your newspaper strips just need to be about 1.5 to 2 centimeters thick. And what you do, grab a watering can, wet it all down. Now automatically that water is going straight to the reservoir and straight out the hose there, just near my feet. So you know the system is working well, as well as it's not leaking. It's only going where it's supposed to go. Now we're going to do the same with our mini ones. Now our mini buckets, we're just doing it slightly different. So we've actually got the stones up until the drill hole line. Then as you can probably see, we've got the seedling mixture which I use, and then we've got some good old pea straw that is actually broken down. Now with this one we're probably only going to use about 1 handful of soursops. You don't have to use this, however it's very good. You can use kakura coach grass as long as there is no roots in it. So just 1 handful, make sure it's well down, and probably about 2 handfuls worth of newspaper. That's 1, and that's 2. So that's that one. And that's how you set up your worm farm. Now some basic things. Worms do not like anything that smells really bad, so that's things like garlic, onions, spring onions, that type of thing. But pretty much you can add anything that you would normally add to a compost, except for obviously garlic, onions. They only need to be fed once a week. They only need to be checked once a week. Normally, out of my good trusty old 21 litre buckets, I get about 500 mils to 1,000 mils of worm juice a week. That just depends on 1, if the worms are eating a lot, 2, the weather, and 3, how much I feed them. So pretty much it's just a case of watch and see. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm quite happy to put videos up on the rest of my garden, so just let me know. Bye guys. Hi everyone, this is just a quick note. When adding the worms, add them to the dirt surface. Do not bury them and do not put anything heavy straight over them, just the sow sobs if you have them and the newspaper. These pictures are from my own garden. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel and I will do my best. Enjoy and happy gardening.